Hey, what's up? So, I'm pretty much starting this video because I ended up using 11 Labs. The thought and idea behind this video is having a more or less an AI influencer to be able to utilize in marketing structures and as well as, you know what? I'll just show you. I'll just show you.
Unearthing humanity's story, from the Epic of Gilgamesh to the present day. Louis Nunez. Title: Unearthing Humanity's Story, from the Epic of Gilgamesh to the present day. Throughout history, tales and legends have been passed down from one generation to another, captivating our imaginations and offering glimpses into the lives of our ancestors. Among these ancient texts, the Epic of Gilgamesh stands tall as one of the earliest known works of literature. This epic, written on clay tablets over 4,000 years ago, serves as a powerful reminder of our shared human experience and the timeless themes that have shaped our journey. Join us as we embark on a captivating exploration through time, unearthing the threads of humanity's story. The Epic of Gilgamesh, a window into the past. The Epic of Gilgamesh, an ancient Mesopotamian poem, tells the story of a legendary king seeking immortality and his encounters with gods, mythical creatures, and ultimately, his own mortality. Preserved in fragments, this epic provides a fascinating glimpse into the worldview, values, and aspirations of the people of that era. It showcases the universal desire for transcendence, the pursuit of knowledge, and the bonds of friendship, from ancient Egypt to classical Greece. As we journey forward in time, we encounter the rich tapestry of ancient civilizations. The pyramids of Egypt rise majestically, showcasing the ingenuity and grandeur of the pharaohs. The myths of
Pretty much, I ended up making this voice inside of 11 Labs for the use of scary stories. So the idea and premise is to create a blog site that LLM 11 Labs could be able to utilize. Oh man, I can't get this fucking shit straight. I have a scary stories app. I ended up creating a blog site so it could read it out towards you. But in the back end, it's pretty much an LLM that constantly creates these stories every Friday. But because there is a niche out there, I want to be able to create these stories nonstop and on the fly. So, the idea of it is for me to create an AI personality that I will then create a social medias for to gain the attention to bring towards the site. If they love scary stories and everything dealing with paranormal, psychological thrillers, encrypted stories, I want this LLM or this AI agent to be able to not only tell them the story, but as well as have them automatically generated every Friday. Whereas I'm hitting the niche of people who like these ideas that would pay $5 a month for every weekend to hear another 10 to 15-minute story that's posted on this site. That is what I'm trying to do. Right now, I do have the personality set up. The face ended up set up, but it's just a matter of creating the website and creating the personality structure or the system or role of this agent. And then once that is created, getting it to have the tools and capabilities to then post on the site immediately on Friday, as well as when I want to be able to automatically do this, click the button. This is my first iteration This is on my Shopify website for right now, but so far so good. This is that update video.